Hi, I'm Melissa Stafford and I work for Brighton Students' Union, and I work in partnership with the college supporting higher education students throughout their time here. I work across the Eastbourne and Lewes campus. I'm the college organiser, and my colleague Bruno does the equivalent at Hastings and Lewes, and together we are trying to make student experience better.
We have a partnership with East Sussex College Group. I work in the Hastings campus, covering Ore and Station Plaza. What happens is we offer representation to the students doing courses in the colleges. What it means is we have a whole team, a support team for them. We have a BSc support, we have a group of advocates who will help the students overcome any academic misconduct issues they might have. But also we help them if they need to present extensions or mitigating circumstances for assignments. That sort of thing we offer help.
So when you apply and enrol onto a degree course at the college, you automatically become a member of the Brighton Students' Union, and this means that you can join societies, you can involve yourself in student activities, and you can join in with all the events that we put on throughout the year. Obviously not at the moment because of the pandemic, but usually there's lots of socialising that goes on. And you can also go to the Freshers' Fair at the beginning of the academic year, and that's always really good fun.
The other very important thing we do is student voice. We train course reps in the courses. And the idea behind the course reps is that they can offer an effective representation for the peers in the course, and then they can feedback the college and us in order to improve the course. We ask them to tell us the positive, so the college can continue doing this, but also think that they might want to see change, maybe timetables, resources, etc. The other thing we do that for us is very important is well-being campaigns. Students will set up their own campaigns and we support them. One of them is, for example, a couple of years ago we started doing pet therapy. The idea behind this is that we bring dogs, in effect. We have a nice area where the students can come and sit and pet the dogs, particularly during the stressful times. And we have found that actually it's very good. The students love it. They queue to see the doggies, and it's very good because they engage with them. But also we use that as an excuse to slip in advice, brochures about mental well-being and things like that. And for us, that's very, very important.
Basically, the teaching staff here are brilliant. They're very dedicated. There are some brilliant lecturers here. The college management team really listen. We have course reps that are nominated at the beginning of the academic year, and they are the voice of the cohort. And the college staff really do listen and take on board any potential issues that come up, and they will really try and help to enhance the student experience and get new IT, for example, if that's what the students are asking for. There's a really brilliant music suite over at Eastbourne. Digital media design's great, the counselling, loads of courses brilliant here. And you also get to be supported throughout your time here by me and my colleague Bruno at Hastings and Lewes, and also become a member of the Brighton Students' Union, who really are great at making the student life better. And we're all about the student voice and social activities and a bigger community outside of college.